Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could travel back in time and meet your younger self? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to dive headfirst into the intriguing world of time paradoxes. Imagine if you could journey back to a time when your grandparents were young and somehow prevent them from meeting. This is what we call the grandfather paradox. If they never met, they couldn't have had your parents, and you, in turn, would never have been born. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back to meddle with your grandparents' love story in the first place? Let's take it a step further with the butterfly effect. Picture this. A single flap of a butterfly's wings in the past could potentially cause a hurricane in the future. Seemingly insignificant actions could set off a chain of events leading to large-scale changes. If time travel were possible, even the smallest action could send ripples through history, altering the present in unimaginable ways. But what if we could bypass these paradoxes altogether? Let's set the paradoxes aside for a moment and dive into the cosmic realm of wormholes. In the vast tapestry of the universe, wormholes are envisioned as bridges, connecting distant points in space and time. Imagine 2 points on a sheet of paper. The quickest route isn't a straight line, but rather folding the paper so the 2 points touch. That's a wormhole. In the context of time travel, they could potentially offer a detour around the roadblocks of paradoxes. However, don't pack your bags for the past just yet. These cosmic shortcuts are purely theoretical. Scientists are yet to discover a real wormhole, and even if they do, there's no guarantee we could travel through one. But isn't it fascinating to ponder that there might exist a cosmic loophole, a way to traverse the expanse of time without meddling with the past? Imagine a universe where wormholes serve as cosmic shortcuts, enabling us to leap across time and space. From H.G. Wells to Doc Brown, time machines have captured our imagination. But could they ever become reality? It's no longer just the stuff of science fiction. Today's pioneers in quantum physics are making leaps and bounds, exploring the mind-boggling realm of exotic matter, which could potentially hold the key to unlocking time travel. Picture this. Quantum particles behaving in ways that defy our everyday understanding of reality could form the building blocks of a time machine, and exotic matter, with its negative energy density and strong negative pressure, might just be the fuel we need to warp the fabric of spacetime. These aren't mere daydreams of mad scientists, they're grounded in the rigorous study of the cosmos, backed by equations and theories that are reshaping our understanding of the universe. It's a brave new world of scientific exploration, where the impossible seems to be just over the horizon. Science may be closer than we think to transforming time travel from science fiction to scientific fact. We often think of time as a straight line, but what if it's more complex than that? What if time, rather than being a one-way street, is cyclical or perhaps even multi-directional? Let's ponder upon the concept of cyclical time. This theory proposes that events repeat over and over again in an eternal loop. If this is the case, then might we not be able to leap from one point in the cycle to another? Now let's explore the idea of alternate timelines. These are essentially offshoots of our timeline, unique realities forged by different choices or events. They suggest a universe of infinite possibilities, each existing simultaneously, side by side. If we could somehow navigate these numerous realities, we could potentially time travel to different versions of our past or future. In a non-linear universe, time travel could be as simple as stepping off the beaten path. Time travel isn't just a scientific question, it's a moral and philosophical one as well. As we venture into the realm of the past, present, and beyond, we are presented with a conundrum, a riddle wrapped in the fabric of time itself. Could we and should we use time travel to correct past mistakes, or would we risk causing even greater harm? Imagine being able to prevent tragedies or to rewrite the wrongs of history. The allure is certainly tantalizing. However, we must also consider the potential fallout. The ripple effects of changing even a single moment in time could be catastrophic, altering the course of history in ways we can't even begin to predict. Moreover, who gets to decide what constitutes a mistake? Who gets to wield such immense power over the tapestry of time? These are weighty questions with no easy answers. As we stand on the threshold of potentially unlocking time travel, we must also grapple with the responsibility that comes with such power.